Good morning, second graders. I'll get in here. Nice to see you all back in your little seats. I'm just imagining. Anyway, this is day 1 of week number 3. The date would be April 6th. And this is language, part 1. All right, so we're going to do a couple practice pages together. While I'm talking, maybe you can go ahead and head your paper, the school mural. After we do these 2 practice pages together, you're going to turn off this video, and I created another one, and that is the reading of the story, day 1, week 3. Okay, then you'll read the story with me and my friend by way of CD. And then the second language video will be day 1, week 3, language part 2. Okay, and we'll come back and do a couple more practice pages together. So being that we're not with one another, we're doing a lot of this together just to help everybody out, so everybody has an equal chance to understand all the words, okay? So for those of you who say, hey, Mrs. Sadler, you're moving a little slow for me, you can just click me off and do the pages, come back later and see if you got the answers right, and then just grade it yourself. For those of you who want to go along with me, that is perfectly fine. Alrighty, won't feel so lonely over here. So your heading is on the paper. You can put your number and date just like you were in classroom. And these are our high frequency words that go with this week story. They are neighbor, below, should. That's right. So what does this say? Number 1, circle the word that means under. Which of these words means under? Yeah, you're right. The word below. I put my papers below my desk. I put them under my desk. Number 2, underline the word that means a person who lives nearby. So the person who lives in the house next door to you is your neighbor. Good, that was an underline. So underline neighbor. Number 3, draw a box around the word that rhymes with would. There's only one word left, would, should, could, would. And then you do a box around it, okay? Then it says to use the words from this box to complete these sentences and the question below. One of these is a question. We can tell because there's a question mark. The others are just regular telling or statements, okay? So you can read it with me. Jason lives next door to Kayla. Jason is Kayla's. They live next door. That would be her neighbor. I'm just going to put a 1 here so that you can just tag it and write it later, okay? Take your time, write it really well. Number 2, Kayla lets Jason's cat sleep under her window. The cat sleeps the window. Same as under. You're right, that would be below. You can put a 2. Well, we know what should would be, right? It would be 3. They went in order. Kayla is a good neighbor to Jason. What Jason be to Kayla? What should Jason be to Kayla? Probably an equally or better good neighbor. A good neighbor, a better neighbor, or the best neighbor she's ever had in her whole life, right? Okay, great. So we're going to move on to the key vocabulary on page 196. And we're going to read these words together. Event, mural, pride, project, scene, sketches. Let's read the meanings. A good feeling about oneself. If we were together, we would have gone through these meanings prior to this moment, but we're just going to take it from here. A huge wall painting, a picture of a view, a job that takes several days to do, quickly made drawings, something that happens. So an event, what would an event be? I'll give you an example. A wedding, a baby shower, an anniversary party, that is an event. What would an event be? Something that happens. Good. Nice straight line. Please don't go boing, because that just doesn't make sense and it would make my eyes go crazy. So just a nice straight line. Event. That was supposed to be straight. Number 2, a mural. A mural. It is a piece of art. What would that be? You're right, a huge wall painting. In downtown Concord by Todos Santos, there in the parking lot, get a chance, there's a beautiful mural of an Old West type town on the side of one of the buildings. Pride, you take pride. You feel good about your work, about what you've done. A project, if you were here, you would be making a mural for open house. So that would take a long time. So a mural, a project is a job that would take several days to do. A scene, what is a scene? Is it a picture of a view or is it quickly made drawings? You can go, well, I could draw a scene, but look here, sketches. Is a sketch a picture of a view or is a sketch quickly made drawings? That one's a little tough, but if I asked you to sketch out something, you would just do a quick little drawing of it. So a scene must be a picture of a view. Like I'm looking out the window right now to some beautiful green hills beyond the parking lot. And it's such a pretty scene. It's a beautiful day, sun shining, trees are growing, the grass is still green. That's a beautiful scene. It's a view. We're going to use these words to fill in the blanks, okay? The science fair is a big, The science fair is a big something that happens, yeah. So save us a little time, just put a little 1 there, and after we're finished here, write the whole word. This year, Evelyn worked on a special, let's cross this out. A special mural, a special scene, a special project. Do you want to save that one and see what's left over? She made a volcano. Well, that sounds like it's going to take some time. So wouldn't you say that that would be a special project? Let's put a number 4 there. Copy it later. She made a volcano. First, she made some to show how it would look. So she drew it out real quick to show how it would look. So that should be, she made some sketches to show how it would look. Okay? And that day she spoke with when she told the judges about her volcano. She spoke with, she's very confident in herself. So she would have spoken with pride, right? There's some pride that's good pride. We should be proud of what we do. If we're not, then maybe we need to try it, do it again, or fix it for next time. Next month, Evelyn is going to do a project for the art fair. She is going to paint a of a snow I've seen people reverse these. She is going to paint a I know we want scene. And we haven't used mural yet, right? Those are the only ones that we haven't used. So, would she paint a mural of a snow scene, or would she paint a scene of a snow mural? Well, it sounds to me like she would paint a mural. That should go first. What number is that? She would paint a mural of a snow scene. Is that number 5? I think so. So go ahead and click off. You'll finish writing those and then go to the video that you will follow along with the story the Read a Story. Okay, so come back later for language part 2. Okay, so enjoy the story entitled The Class Mural. You will find it on one of the videos. That's the word. Okay, take care, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.